Day 85 of 100. Let's make it happen. Thank you, Yahweh. Thank you, Universe. Thank you, Mother Nature, for another beautiful day. I'm forever grateful. Amen. Allow yourself to remember how far you've come and all the hard work you've put in. The universe is listening. The universe is watching. Stay consistent and you will see results. Allow yourself to heal and work on thyself behind closed doors. Not all your attention needs to be on social media. Actually reconnect with nature. Hear the birds, hear the trees, hear the bees, see the clouds move, watch the sunrise. Allow yourself to do what truly brought you joy as a child and see what it reveals. It may be painting, it may be dancing, it may be riding a bike. Aha. Continue to love thyself. Continue to smile. Grow by any means. Peace.